Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a few new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. So let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And we do have quite a few to go over for today. I think we ended up with about 50 or 60 new digital coupons. So of course, go ahead and clip your file off 25 for next Saturday, which is October the 22nd. We did receive quite a few new Vicks coupons at the end of last week. Now, nothing too great right here with this 150 off one or the 1 off one Vicks VapoCool products. I don't even think that 1 off one is attaching to anything, but on some accounts we have a 75-cent off one for the 18 count cough drops. I believe that those are priced at $2, so with that coupon you'd pay $1.25. So if you have that coupon, that might be a good filler item for Saturday. Now, I also want to talk about these Head & Shoulders coupons because I did not receive these on all of my accounts, so these may be a hit or miss. If you guys have these out there, this 2 off one, it attaches to the larger Head & Shoulders. These are priced at $11.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. We have this 1 off one for the Head & Shoulders. This does work on the eucalyptus scent that are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you pay $3.50. But again, with that 1 off one, we have a higher value coupon that you can use on the eucalyptus, which is a 3 off 2. And then we also have this 2 off one for the Head & Shoulders clinical products. These are priced at $10.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $8.50. So I'm just going to pass on clipping all of those for now. We have this 1 off one for the Tresemme styling products. Now, we've had this coupon for a while and I have not clipped it to my account, and I may not clip it today. I'm going to kind of go through my coupons and think about which products I want to pick up. But we did receive a new DG store coupon. So if you want to stack this 1 off one manufacturer with that 1 off one DG store coupon on the 4.2 ounce hairsprays, those are priced at $5.35. So after both coupons are applied, you're going to pay $3.35. All right, moving on, we did receive a Love's DG store coupon for save $5 when you spend $30 on Love's products. So this is good to see back, and I do want to take note that this one doesn't expire until December the 3rd. So even if we don't have manufacturer coupons to stack with it right now, I believe I had one on this account. But even if we don't have a lot to work with right now, hopefully in the coming weeks they will give us some more manufacturer coupons that we can stack and come up with a great deal. All right, moving on down, we did receive a new 3 off one for the Gain products. So those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. So we should have some pretty good Gain deals this coming Saturday. We have a 1 off 2 for the Pledge and Windex products. $2.80 off one for the Folgers Classic Roast cans of coffee. Those are priced at $10.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. And another quick note on this deal, when you spend $10 on Folgers brand products, you're going to get a Clover Valley creamer for free. So you're going to get 2 products for $7.95. So real good deal there. We have 50 cents off one for the Scrubbing Bubbles. We have a 1 off 2 for the Nabisco. All right, now next up we have this DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $6 on Suave, St. Ives, Simple, and Vaseline products. Now, just working off of my memory this morning, I don't think that we have a whole lot of manufacturer coupons that we can stack with this DG store coupon for this week. I will definitely double check, and I'm definitely going to be putting together a good deals and glitch list video for this week because we do have other deals that I'm not going to be covering in this video. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that video. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and point out on this coupon, it doesn't expire until November the 27th. So we will definitely be receiving a new Unilever insert by then. That gives us a whole month to receive some manufacturer coupons that we can stack with this, possibly even some instant savings. Moving on down, here's one that you want to be aware of. This is a 1 off one for the Brawny 4 count extra large paper towels. We have a higher value coupon of 3 off 1, and these are priced at $9.50. So I would definitely pass on this 1 off 1 coupon. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Maybelline products. So if you want to pick up the Maybelline eyeliners, those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And next up, we have this 1-off-1 DG store coupon. So I already mentioned it earlier in the video. If you want to stack it with that 1-off-1 Tresemme styling product coupon, pick up the 4.2 ounce hairsprays at $5.35. Use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $3.35. Now, you're also going to see here in just a few seconds a 5 off 2 manufacturer coupon for the Tresemme shampoos and conditioners. So you can stack this 1-off-1 DG store coupon with the 5 off 2 digital and pick up 2 of the shampoos and conditioners. Those are priced at $5 each. Use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Now, a couple of quick notes on this. You definitely want to make sure that you are scanning both products to make sure that both coupons show up underneath both products, because this is not attaching to all of the Tresemme shampoos or conditioners. And then I also want to go ahead and point out that this is the best Tresemme deal that I have seen at DG in a very, very long time. So I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of this one. And one more thing, we also have a glitch with this DG store coupon. So if you just want to run in and pick up one of the Tresemme hair masks for $2, use this digital coupon, and that's going to be paying just $1. So a lot going on with that coupon. But they are all really good deals. So definitely go ahead and clip that one to your account, and I will put visuals in our good deals and glitch list video for y'all as well. All right, moving on down, we have 50 cents off one for the Peak Blue Mountain. Go ahead and clip that one. 3 off one for the Tide products. So those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have 50 cents off for the Cascade. 2 off one for the Garnier Nutrice hair color products. 1 off one for the Downy products. These are on sale for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Here's another one that y'all want to be aware of. We have this 3 off 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. These are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. However, we do have a higher value coupon of 5 off 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. We have a $1.50 off one for the Snuggle products. We also have Snuggle coupons in today's save insert. And I believe we have a $1.50 off one and a 2 off one for the Snuggle products. So with this coupon, if you want to pick up the 105 count dryer sheets, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. All right, next up we have the 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean products. We also have a 3 off 1 for the Children's Advil product. So the liquids, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. So not a bad deal at all there. We have $1.50 off one for the Gold Bond lotion. So if you want to pick up the 5.5 ounce, those are priced at $5.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.60. We also received a new 1 off 1 for the Tide products. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And we have a new DG store coupon for the Coca-Cola products. Go ahead and clip that one as well. And here is your 5 off 2 manufactured Tresemme coupon. So, and don't forget, we also have insert coupons, same value in today's save insert. So today is a really good day to pick up some newspapers. Moving on down, we have 5 off 1 for the IBGuard product, 2 off 1 for the Garnier Skin Active products, 1 off 1 for the True Living bath tissue, and a 1 off 1 for the Johnson's or Destin products. Those start out at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a DG store coupon, $3.50 off 1 for the Shea Moisture products. Again, this one doesn't expire until November the 27th, so we do have some time to use this and wait around for some manufacturer coupons that we can stack with it. All right, moving on, we have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl Eye product. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have a 2 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care body wash products. So these are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And we also have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $9 on Dove products. So we can definitely stack that together this week. And we also have insert coupons that are buy one, get one free in today's save insert. So again, it's a great deal to pick up some newspapers today. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now, just until I can really dig in and see which deals I want to do and which coupons that I want to use. All right. All right, now next up we have 50 cents off one for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the spray bottles that are pictured right there on the coupon, the multi-purpose sprays are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the travel size Lysol multi-purpose cleaners that are priced for $1 in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. So great filler item for Saturday. Moving on down, we have 1-off-1 for the Sister Schubert's dinner rolls. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And here's some more Gain coupons. So again, we should have some pretty good Gain deals for this Saturday. All right, so 1-off-1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And we have a 1-off-1 for the other Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Here is a 1-off-1 for the All or Snuggle products. Again, those are on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And keep in mind, we do have those insert coupons in today's Save Insert. All right, next up, 2-off-1 for the Good and Fun dog treats. So these start out at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. So not a bad deal there. 1-off-1 for the TheraBreath. 50 cents off one for the Pepperoni dog treats. Now these start out at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Now we do have a higher value coupon of $1.50 off too. So it's up to you whether you want to clip that one or not. Then we have 1-off-4 for the Believe Beauty products, so save $1 when you spend $4. 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothpaste, so if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. We also have a 2-off-1 for the Advil 18 count or larger, so pick up the 18 count for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we have a 2-off-1 Dove coupon for the women's body wash. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Keep in mind, we do have that DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $9. And we also have the buy one, get one free insert coupons in today's Save Insert. So again, I'm going to pass on clipping this one just for now until I can figure up which deals I want to do and which coupons that I want to use. We have a 1-off-1 for the Quilted Northern, 2-off-1 for the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. So these are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. So pretty pricey item there. We have 2-off-1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those are priced at $6.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have 50 cents off one for the True Living Bath Tissue 12 count. These are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And here is another DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $6 on Vaseline, St. Ives, and Suave products. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. Again, it doesn't expire until the end of November, so we do have some time to use it. Next up, $1.50 off too for the Clorox cleaning or laundry products. So if you want to pick up the toilet bowl cleaners, this is the lowest priced item that I could find. These are priced at $3. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Pine Sol products as well. So if you want to pick up the 48-ounce Pine Sols, those are priced at $4. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. Or you could pick up the 24-ounce Pine Sols. Those are priced at $2.85. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.20 for 2. And then last but not least, we have this 1-off-1 for the Eddie's ice cream. These are on sale this week for $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said before, make sure that you stay tuned because I will have the Good Deals and Glitch List video coming up next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and leave a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.